AIPMT 2015 question. A vector is cos omega ti plus sin omega tj. B vector is cos omega t by 2 I caret plus sin omega t by 2 j caret. If A is perpendicular to B vector, then find out time. For that, use the equation of cos alpha minus beta, that is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. If A is perpendicular to B, then dot product of A and B is 0 because AB cos 90 is 0. Now what is A dot B here? A dot B is cos omega t into cos omega t by 2 because I dot I is 1. J dot I is 0. I dot j is also 0. So second term is sin omega t into sin omega t by 2 because j dot j is 1 and A dot b is 0. Now this is similar to cos alpha cos beta sin alpha sin beta. So your answer is cos alpha minus beta. It means cos omega t minus omega t by 2 is equal to 0. So cos omega t by 2 is equal to 0. But cos pi by 2 is 0. So 0 is equal to here cos pi by 2. So omega t by 2 is equal to pi by 2. 2 is cancelled. So t is equal to pi upon omega. It means that t is equal to pi upon omega time A and B are perpendicular to each other. Thank you.